Hi, this is Juan at Ryden USA. You can reach me at juan@rydenusa.bike. This is to answer a few questions that our users have about the angle gauge. These are digital angle gauge systems. This is my favorite. This is the one we recommend. It basically gets an angle, and then if it moves, it actually detects the angle. So we provide an adapter like these ones, which you can actually connect to the rulers of the Ryden Pro tool. So once it's connected to the ruler, instead of the phone, it gives you the measure, and you can actually insert the device in there, and it will actually measure the angle for you with the bike. Here is the thing. Some people do not get the proper angles gauge sometimes. This is the one we said we should use because we designed the box for this, which is a pretty standard size that you can buy in Amazon in the US. It fits perfectly and snugly, and we actually have designed so that it doesn't actually dislodge. And there is a white stripe in there that is actually metal, so that this the angle gauge will actually connect to it because it has a magnet on the sides, in two of the sides. This is a smaller angle gauge holder, as you can see, and it will fit as well, not as snugly, but because there is that system there, that metal stripe, you can go like this and it will not fall. It actually will take quite a bit of power to get even the small one. For the snuggly one, the one we recommend, this one, you actually have to put a little bit of force. It enters with pressure, but once it's in there, it fits perfectly. You see, there's nothing coming out, protruding. This is in the right spot. You can see it perfectly. You can operate it, and it's pretty much impossible to dislodge. It's actually hard to dislodge. You don't do it. So what we do to dislodge it, it's just the ruler, one side of the ruler. Even if it has plastic on it, it does not matter, right? And you just push, and the system comes out. So that's the angle holder that you should use. It doesn't exert a lot of pressure on the system. It doesn't fit on the walls. It's just on the entry point. And it should work as advertised. As I say, it fits perfect. It's designed for this type of device, which is about 60 millimeters. And here you have the angle gauge. I'm going to tell you what this one is. This is the largest model we support, and it's 5968 millimeters, so basically 60. Okay, that's what we designed it for, 60 millimeters. But it's a square. It's 60 millimeters here as well. You see, it's not the one that comes with a metal system in here to put it on top of pipes. Not that one. Okay, I don't know that one. We cannot find that one in the US. So we decided to do a new design with a bigger box and the metal stripe, so that we can actually use the smaller gauges. So now this gauge is actually 58. Okay, I wouldn't go smaller than that because this one still touches the walls and all that, and they're perfect squares. They're 58, 57, 58, all the way up to 60. It should fit just fine. If it doesn't fit like that, you don't have the right angle gauge, and if you pressure, you can break the part, and well, if you break the part, I can send you a new one, but at that point it's like if you just bought the tool, I'd rather just refund it, because unless you get a new angel holder, it's not going to work. Okay, thank you.